can see that, say, if BTC has broken its trend line and consolidating above, RSI is above 50, which is very positive. At this point, I would be expecting further upside on many alts. Large caps, small caps are popping here and there. That's usually how alt seasons get started. So I'm confident that alt could be doing well over the next few weeks, provided that BTC keeps holding its elevated levels. So I like ETH here. I like Ripple as well. Ripple is showing good signs as well. If we look at it on the 4-hour, we can see that it's making similar structure that BTC is. That's right. That ETH has been. Let's remove just that. Oops. If we can look at Ripple, we can see it's broken a trend line, consolidating above, and can expect some consolidation before another extension. Excuse me. Looking at smaller caps, the one that have been doing well, as we were discussing yesterday, was Holochain. Bounced back and is holding this level, so now it's starting to look very interesting. Litecoin as well is showing strength by holding the $84 levels. I think this could go to 100 if the rest of alts were to follow. But overall, lots of altcoins are in this similar setup, and I think we could be in for some good coming weeks. What else to look at? We can look at the number of short and long on BTC to see if people are actually going to short that or not. Let me just share another screen, just one sec. Okay. Yeah, so number of longs is still very high, but has been declining slowly, which is healthy if you wanted to have another up move. Number of shorts is still pretty low. Usually, so we can't really expect any short squeeze to push the price up, but nothing really to worry about for a move up. We're actually in similar structure to where we were mid-April. So mid-April, we can see that we had massive move up in the number of longs, and slowly went down, and that was followed by an uptrend in Bitcoin. So that's potentially what we could be aiming for here. Now, if we go back and look at Bitcoin in more details, what I want to say as well is this structure looks well. Actually, if we look at that, so here it's kind of it's making a sort of an ascending triangle. So here. Which is what we had basically around here with the yellow trend line. So yeah, I think if Bitcoin were to keep holding this structure, we could expect some further upside, and in this continuation, we could also expect alts to do well. So here I'm pretty bullish on alts. Provided that BTC hold this structure. That's the most important. BNB as well has been doing really well today. So they actually announced their trading. So now on Binance we can do margin trading. So basically what that means, you can long and short for more than what you hold in your wallet. Okay, and you can take leverage positions. You can. There's only 4 pairs that are available: BTC, ETH, Ripple, TRX, and Binance coins. So 5 pairs, which is actually for the first time Binance coin will be shortable. So that will be interesting to watch. But right now the Binance coin versus USD is still in price discovery. So there's nothing really to stop it from going up. But the dynamic could change over the coming weeks, given now that this coin is becoming shortable for the first time on its own exchange. So I'll be looking at whether it could make a top, and if a top were to form, don't want to call a top, but usually what I like to see a top formation would be to make a high followed by a lower high on a like daily time frame, long time frame, and followed by a lower low. Usually that's how tops are formed. So that's what I will be looking for if there were to be any downside. But right now the momentum is really strong on BNB, so it's gonna potentially just keep going up at this point. The other IEO coins have all shown big downsides following like the tech profits on all of them. All the three of them went down by about 50%. They're making a lower high, so now you can expect that that to continue. Actually, we are just breaking a trend line on Matic. Matic has had a phenomenal volume, talking about 3 times the market cap in terms of volume. So it's been really insane. So yeah, if it were to cool down, that would be just about normal at this point. Fetch, similar structure, big drop, lower high, and Stellar exactly the same. So all of them are just behaving exactly in similar fashion. And yeah, that's about it for today. If you have any question, feel free to drop us an email or send us a message on our Telegram, and we'll look at your request. Don't forget that this is not financial advice. You should do your own research, and good luck in trading.